Hello everybody, thanks for having me again. This week we will have just a quick announcement. It has been about 6 months since we have started publishing weekly videos on our Yener's Cake Tips channel. And recently we passed 100,000 subscribers. I'm so happy and thankful to you about that. To celebrate this amazing milestone, instead of giving one cake tip, we are going to give you a free weekend at our website yenersway.com cake art tutorials. Yes, you didn't hear wrong. This weekend, all 100 premium tutorials at yenersway.com will be 100% free. If you don't have already a free account, just create one and it is all yours for the weekend. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed and supported Yener's Cake Tips channel. I hope you enjoyed the tutorials from our website. God bless you all. Till to the next one. Bye for now.